Are going to be cool this week for the Ironman as well. Fortunately, we're not looking at any rain in that area. Some parts of the state will get some snow, though, including Pine Top Lakeside. At least a slight chance for some light snow in the White Mountains. That'll mainly be Sunday and into Monday. Skies are partly cloudy there right now. Temperatures on the temperature gauge not showing up in Pine Top. Likely you're in the 40s, maybe upper 30s. It's 47 in Pace and 37 in Flagstaff and 47 in Prescott. We are at 54 degrees right now in the valley, 41 down in Maricopa and Casa Grande. We are in the 40s and 50s around the Valley metro area. That temperature in the 50s is for areas closer to downtown. We'll be in the upper 60s by lunchtime, but low 70s this afternoon. That's pretty nice, but it's much cooler, about 10 degrees cooler than we were yesterday. And the cool down continues into the weekend. And ahead of that cool down, we are getting wind today. So winds are just starting to pick up right now. We're seeing our first sign of that breeziness in spots like Kingman and Yuma across western Arizona with some 15-mile-per-hour winds, 10-mile-per-hour winds in Sedona. The wind advisory today actually is not for western Arizona. It's for north central and northeastern Arizona down through the White Mountains as well. That wind advisory starts at 8 o'clock this morning. It goes through 7 o'clock this evening. Sustained winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting to 50 miles per hour. Here's a look at how those winds are expected to change throughout the day ahead. By about 10 o'clock, we're going to see some stronger winds in northern Arizona near 20 miles per hour. We'll see that wind advisory in place by then. We go through the lunchtime hour and things really pick up. Look at that 30-mile-per-hour winds. Sustained in the Show Low area, 27-mile-per-hour winds in Winslow, and then those stay gusty into the early afternoon hours. They start to come down a bit by 5 o'clock. If you're getting off work and maybe going to head to the high country, expect that those winds will still be going. But as the sun starts to set, the pressure gradient is going to ease up and we're going to see lighter winds. And we'll see lighter winds over the weekend ahead as well. A few clouds out there right now, but this is the storm coming our way. It's going to kind of split into two pieces. There's an area that's going to go south of Arizona, and this is mainly staying north of us. And so what we'll see on Saturday, northwestern Arizona, northern Arizona, a few snow showers, a few rain showers as well. I'm going to take this model here into Sunday, and we're going to see that area to our south bring some moisture up for some showers in southeastern and eastern Arizona for the valley. I don't think we're going to get any of that. What we are going to see is a big drop in temperatures. We were in the 80s yesterday, 70s today, and 60s for your Saturday. Both mornings this weekend are going to be chilly. We are going to be not seeing a low of 4. Not sure why the second digit didn't show up. Lows will be in the 40s though next week, and our afternoon highs are going to stay in the upper 60s to low 70s. Temperatures are dropping this weekend. I want to take you to downtown Phoenix Footprint Center. The Suns are playing tonight, but that's an away game. So who's playing tonight at Footprint Center? Mariah Carey. It's a big holiday concert. So going to be great weather for that if you're headed downtown. Lots of sunshine out there right now. What else is happening this weekend? It's the Ironman. We're going to have cooler temperatures for this. Partly cloudy skies Sunday morning, 6 a.m., 48 degrees. Light winds, 62 degrees by lunchtime. Lots of sunshine on Sunday. By 6 p.m., we'll drop back to the low 60s. So I do think we'll hit a high of about 70 Sunday afternoon. So between noon and 6 p.m. we'll see that, and the temperatures quickly drop off. We don't have a chance of rain, at least not in the Valley metro area. We do in these spots here shaded in green, but as you can see, it's pretty light rain. That green color is 1/4 of an inch or less at this point here. Areas just east and northeast of the valley have a better chance. What we will see ahead of this weekend storm is some wind. That's mainly today across the state. Worst of the winds will be in the high country, where a wind advisory is already in effect. It went into effect at 8 a.m. It goes till 7 o'clock tonight. Gusts to 50 miles per hour. We're seeing sustained winds right now in Flagstaff and Show Low near 20 miles per hour. Those could pick up to near 30 miles per hour. So here's our storm system. It's dropping down here through the Great Basin. We have a piece of energy that's going to swing by to our north. We have a piece that's going to kind of break off and push by to our south. So two different areas of focus here when it comes to the precipitation. And again, most of that won't fall today. This is your Friday afternoon. Let's take this into your Saturday, where we'll see some light showers, rain and snow, mainly in the northern and northwestern portion of the state. That's what that piece of the system sweeping by to the north of us. Then what we'll see on Sunday is some moisture drawn up from that closed low that pushes by to the south of us. That's mainly moving into New Mexico and Texas, but on the backside of that, we could see some light showers in eastern and southeastern Arizona, and that could bring some snow as well to the White Mountains, although it's not going to be significant snowfall. Should be fairly light in nature. Your 7-day forecast shows we got a cool down for the valley out of the system. Not rain. 73 though. It's sunny today, 66 and mostly sunny tomorrow, and 70 again for your Sunday and Monday. Back to the upper 60s on Tuesday. So normally this time of year we're in the upper 70s. This is below average. A little cool out there through about the middle of next week.